Have you always been curious about Dungeons and Dragons but didn't know where to start? In this video, we're going to show you how to jump into the game with only one single purchase, the D&D starter set. There's no denying that D&D has absolutely blown up over the last few years with massive tabletop role-playing game companies on a rise. So for those of you who have never played, now is the perfect time to get started with the Dungeons & Dragons starter kit from Wizards of the Coast. You can, of course, purchase this starter set at your local game store, bookstores such as Barnes & Nobles, or online at retailers like Amazon and Target. Link in the description. The starter has a retail cost of $19.99 and comes with everything you need to get started, including a condensed rulebook, some characters already made for you, and the 64-page module book for the DM to take players from level 1 to level 5. If you'd rather play online because of the pandemic or for other reasons, you can also find digital versions of this game on Fantasy Grounds, Steam, Roll20, and D&D Beyond. By the way, the kit comes with a set of its own dice. So, worst case scenario, you and your friends only have $20 to get started, you can pass out character sheets, one of you is the DM, and you share the dice. So, that's everything the set comes with, but is it worth the price? If you're just starting D&D and you want a slow transition into it with just the bare basics, this kit is great. It has characters already made for you that you can learn to play with, and a simple-to-follow storyline for new DMs, complete with its own boss fight at the end, no spoilers. And honestly, this simple adventure is better than even some of the more expensive modules, which is a huge plus. I will say that this game does limit you to only a handful of classes, and if you are planning on being the DM, you'll probably want a few more resources, perhaps the Dungeon Master's Guide, a monster manual, and the complete rules in the player's handbook, but I'll go into all of what you will need to be a DM in another video. So there you have it, a small box with everything you need to get started in playing D&D. It's fairly inexpensive, especially when you take into account that it also comes with the tools needed for up to 5 other players. Wizards of the Coast created a great starter kit as an easy springboard into the world of D&D, and it's honestly a great time for beginners or seasoned gamers. Let us know what you think about the starter kit and some of the best parts of your own adventure. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.